Hey all of you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP server on Windows 10. If you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. Alright, open your favorite web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Just type here XAMPP. And you can see here first link and click on it. And here is the interface of phpmyadmin.org. XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment. XAMPP is a completely free and open source. So you can see here 3 distribution version of XAMPP. First one is for Windows, Linux and macOS. So I'm going to download for Windows. Now click on it and XAMPP is downloading. It may take some time to download. Alright, XAMPP downloaded. Now I am going to my download folder. Here is the XAMPP file. Now I am going to install XAMPP. Just double click here. Click next. Make sure that your file location, in my case this is my default file location, so I keep this. Next, choose language. Next, and uncheck this box. Click next. It may take some time to install. Click finish. Now you can see here the interface of XAMPP control panel. Now I'm going to active XAMPP control panel and click on Apache here. So click on start. MySQL, click on start, and here you can see that there is no error in this box. I hope it will work perfectly, so make sure that the database will work or not. So let's check. Open your web browser and type here localhost / phpmyadmin / hit enter button. And you can see here phpmyadmin database. So XAMPP is working, and now XAMPP is successfully installed and active. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next video. Thank you.